How to fix unable to send message on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can fix unable to send message on Facebook Marketplace. The first thing to do is to log into your Facebook account just like I have done here. And then by the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu displaying your name, friends, and then Marketplace. Ensure you click on Marketplace. Once you click on Marketplace, redirected to the marketplace dashboard. Now on this dashboard, you see a list of things. You see the um products that you can get, etc. Now before I go further, I would like you to know that there are different reasons why you might not be able to send messages on Facebook Marketplace, and I'll be listing them out now. The first reason could be that you've reached your limit. You must note that Facebook Marketplace limits the number of messages one can send daily to reduce spam and unsolicited activities. Okay, so if you send too many messages in a day, you may see the limit reached error, and from there you would not be able to send messages again. So it may take you to wait a day or two before you can send messages again. So if you fall into this category, just wait it out. All right. Now, the next thing for you to do is to check if the other person may have blocked you. Okay, this is your inbox currently, and just go back to browse on her. Yes, so check if the other person may have blocked you. If the person have blocked you, you won't be able to send a message to the person. And the third thing that you can do is to sign out and sign back in again. So how do you sign out? You can sign out by moving to the your profile icon located by the top right corner of the screen next to your notification icon as well as your messages icon. Once you type on your profile icon, a menu will be displayed, and then you will see settings and privacy, health and support, display and accessibility, give feedback, and then log out. Just go ahead and click on log out. Once you click on log out, you'll be asked if you're sure that you want to log out. Click on yes, and then you'll be logged out automatically. Then try logging back in into your Facebook account. So once you log back in, come back to your marketplace and then send your message. Then another thing that you can do is to request Facebook to restore your marketplace access. This is if you violated any of the community guidelines. Okay, so I want you to note that there are guidelines on marketplace that guides the way you relate and talk to others. So if you violated any of these guidelines, you might be restricted. So you can just request Facebook to restore your marketplace access. And then finally, you can disable extension. All right, applies to those who are using Facebook Marketplace on a web browser like I am doing here. And so you can disable extensions. Third-party extensions are great for improving your browsing experience. However, they can interfere and cause Facebook Marketplace messages to stop working. You can temporarily disable your extensions to see if that can get this going. So for you to disable your extension, in the address bar, that is in this search bar here, you can just type out Chrome /extension and then click on enter. Once you type that, you'll be taken to a page displaying your extensions. Then by the right side of the extension, you'll see some toggles. Just click on the toggle to turn off the extension. Once that is done, come back to your Facebook Marketplace and try sending messages. Having done all of this, definitely you'll be able to send messages on Facebook Marketplace. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I hope I have been able to show you how you can fix unable to send messages on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.